Hazrat Sahal bin Abi Hathama and Hazrat Rafi bin Khadij radiyallahu anhu state that Hazrat Muhayyasa bin Masood and Hazrat Abdullah bin Sahal radiyallahu anhu went to Khaybar, and then they got parted among the date palms. Hazrat Abdullah bin Sahal was assassinated there. They accused the Jews of the killing. Later, his brother Hazrat Abdul Rahman, his two cousins Hazrat Hawayyasa and Muhayyasa visited the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Abdul Rahman started talking about his brother's case, though he was the youngest of them. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Let the oldest speak." Or he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Let the oldest start." Then they both related the incident of his brother. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 50 men of you should swear an oath against any of them. He will be then handed over to you. They submitted, "How can we take an oath against a person whom we had not witnessed?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Then 50 Jews will prove their innocence by taking an oath before you." They submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they are infidels." The reporter says that then Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam paid the blood weight of the martyred from himself. Hazrat Sahal says, "I entered their she-camel's pen. Their she-camel kicked me." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4319.